Hurricane Erin re-intensifies in the Atlantic.
This is another special weather statement on the increasing strength of Major Hurricane Erin. August 17, 2025. Major Hurricane Erin re-intensifies into a Category 4 hurricane after completing an eyewall replacement cycle. Life-threatening surf and rip currents likely across the U.S. eastern seaboard as Erin becomes a very large hurricane this week. At 11 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time, 3 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time, the center of Major Hurricane Erin was located near latitude position 22.3 north, longitude position 69.3 west. Erin is now moving toward the northwest near 12 miles per hour, 19 kilometers per hour. A gradual turn to the north-northwest and then north is expected on Monday into Tuesday. On the forecast track, the core of Erin is expected to pass to the east and northeast of the Turks and Caicos Islands and the southeastern Bahamas overnight into Monday. Maximum sustained winds are near 130 miles per hour, 215 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Erin is a Category 4 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. Some additional strengthening is expected over the next 12 hours followed by gradual weakening. However, Erin is forecast to continue increasing in size and will remain a large and dangerous major hurricane through the middle of this week. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 60 miles, 95 kilometers, from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 230 miles, 370 kilometers. The estimated minimum central pressure is 942 millibars or 27.82 inches. Major Hurricane Erin, although a Category 4 hurricane, still remains a dangerous major hurricane. Over the last day or so, the hurricane had weakened to a Category 3 hurricane, due to atmospheric changes and the major storm undergoing what is called in the meteorological world an eyewall replacement cycle. In simple terms, an eyewall replacement cycle is when a hurricane's eyewall collapses to form a new eyewall. In the case of Major Hurricane Erin, this eyewall replacement cycle has completed and now the eyewall of Erin is more broad and larger than it is narrow. When hurricanes complete an eyewall replacement cycle, there are times when these storms develop a larger eyewall and then the storm changes size and shape. In the case of Erin, not only is the storm eyewall getting larger, but the hurricane itself is beginning to expand in size and coverage. In addition to the storm eyewall and storm size getting larger, the eyewall intensity is increasing as well, which means the hurricane is intensifying more and more. Erin is expected to continue to expand and get stronger this week. This expansion of the hurricane changes the dynamics of the ocean because of the storm getting larger. This means the east coast of the U.S. from Florida and the Bahamas to Georgia and the Carolinas all the way to Maine will experience very strong surf and rip currents will be more intense. Reiterating the dangers of strong ocean surf and intense rip currents, residents and visitors all along the entire East Coast and the Bahamas are encouraged to heed all lifeguards' instructions and stay out of ocean waters along the east coastal areas. Very heavy surf and intense rip currents are very dangerous situations that should just be avoided at all cost. It is not worth you or the lives of others to lose their lives to the power of turbulent oceans. Major Hurricane Erin is expected to split the uprights between the high-pressure system to its east and a trough to its west. This puts the storm east of the east coast of the U.S. and west of the island of Bermuda. Bermuda will still also experience dangerous surf and intense rip currents as the hurricane passes by. If you live there, stay out of the water at all cost. We will keep you updated on this dangerous hurricane here at Weather Rampage WX.